Hi, also in my bag I have this little buckle slider, which is just a little plastic buckle, just like this, and a piece of gross grain ribbon. So you just thread the ribbon onto the buckle, like so, and now we're going to secure it onto the fidget. Again, we need to make sure that we've got it at least 5 centimetres from the bottom. So let's just put a pin in to hold it in place. 5 centimetres there. 5 centimetres there. There are several ways that you can finish this particular slider off. By far the easiest is to simply turn the ribbon under and just stitch it on in the same way that you've been stitching on the toppers for your other fidgets. So you just stitch it, put a pin in place to hold it in place, and then at the other end as well. So that's the easiest way, but you can put other things at the end. If you've got a very plain piece of ribbon, you might like to add something a bit more snazzy at the sides, maybe a little piece of contrasting ribbon, whatever you like. But in this case, I'm just going to make it plain and very simple. So once you've pinned that all in place, all you need to do out, I'm with my finger holding it down, is just stitch that in place. Because this is a simple version, I tend to do a double line of stitching at the end. So what I've done here is just gone across a couple of stitches, turned it around and come back again, and then another couple of stitches at the end here. Backwards and forwards, of course, to secure off the end. So now you can see I've got a little box at the end of here, and that will hold it more securely in place. I'm going to do the same at the other end. Stitches forward. You get to the edge, turn it, sew down a, oh, a minute, I'll just take that pin out. So 2 stitches along, turn it around again, come back on itself, get to the end, last 2 stitches, back a couple of stitches, and it's as easy as that. Just trimming off the little bits at the ends. And this is another one of your fidgets. This is a little slider. Quite satisfying to slide it backwards and forwards. But remember, if you want to, you can put bigger, fancier set ends on it if that takes your fancy.